Welcome to the Coco YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel to watch new videos like this. This picture, taken with Hubble's Wide Field Camera 3, includes the winding system NGC 4680. Two different universes, at the extreme right and base focus of the picture, flank NGC 4680. NGC 4680 delighted in a flood of consideration in 1997, as it played host to a cosmic explosion blast known as SN 1997 BP. Australian novice cosmologist Robert Evans distinguished the cosmic explosion and has recognized a remarkable 42 cosmic explosion blasts. NGC 4680 is really a fairly interesting system to order. It is once in a while alluded to as a winding world. However, it is additionally now and then delegated a lenticular cosmic system. Lenticular worlds fall someplace in the middle of winding universes and circular systems. While NGC 4680 has recognizable winding arms, they are not obviously characterized, and the tip of one arm shows up diffuse. Universes are not static, and their morphologies shift all through their lifetimes. Winding systems are thought to develop into curved worlds, in all probability by converging with each other, making them lose their particular twisting constructions. Thank you so much for joining our video. Subscribe to our channel to watch new videos like this. Don't forget to share the video with your friends.